displayed over the last few weeks, really, really good. To see Nkunku going into a season fully fit, having played incredibly well over the pre-season, fantastic for him and for the club. I think Lavia as well has shown exactly what he's going to be in the Chelsea shirt. So I think there's been some good individual performances getting.
So it's Chelsea getting things underway. Kit of supporters they brought with them. Sure, a lot of them based here in London anyway. Correa away. All trying to get it under his spell and then hit from Gio. Really good save, and Madueke couldn't quite get to the follow-up quickly enough. Here's Gusto, swept over his cross too close to Jan Sommer. Good stuff from Chelsea. 18 points out of second place. Milan did into last season. Storm their way to Dewsbury Hall. You can see what he was trying to do, squeeze it back through for the run. His ball through the middle. Colwell stumbled, but only because he was fouled. Correa, the man penalised.
Yeah.
Socks rolled down by his ankles, easy to spot. Gusto's cross deflected on its way in, which took the...
Late points, salvage, so good test today.
Darmian fizzing one right at it, ball down the line for DiMarco. And he's whipped it straight into the side of Robert Sanchez's net.
I suppose this is a type of...
Swept out to DiMarco, oh dear. Well, we can laugh because it wasn't us, but we've all had that happen to us, and it's not so funny.
Yeah, Chelsea just got incredible.
Correa into the give and go with Thuram. It's a nice idea that. Madueke, too quick, too clever, goes down, corner given, and he looks in the direction of the referee's assistant and wonders if there should have been any more, but DiMarco looked you in the middle, Dewsbury Hall edge of the box, Mudryk and Fernandez making their way into it. Lavia on the volley, looked easy from up here. There's Cucurella. He's only scored one Chelsea goal, but he's had the summer of his life. And he got his shot on target. Now here's Thuram. He's going to hit this. Oh, what a goal! How about that from Marcus Thuram? Straight after the restart from the drinks break. He's thumped one right into the top corner. Robert Sanchez didn't see it, and Inter lead 1-0.
Oh, they just played through Chelsea there beautifully. You've got to say, huge credit to Bisek, the right-sided centre-half, who all of a sudden finds himself in possession, no pressure, too easy to break through.
Madueke's done brilliantly. Here's Guiu. He's dug the shot out, span it off a defender. Any room for a cross, managed to work it into Dewsbury Hall. Can he get the shot away? He did. It was... Oh, Sommer taking a big risk there. And one thing we're learning about Mark Guiu is that he will press and press and press.
That is so...
There's something going on in the middle here involving Levi Colwell. The referee's got some sorting out to do here. We were following the action, no idea what that was about. Colwell who got involved with that somehow. Gusto's there to be hit by Malo Gusto. Look at the daisy. No one tracked the runner though. And the header loops harmlessly into the gloves of Sanchez, but again, a worrying gap in the Chelsea defence. Just here's Mudryk. Defender was in his way, he didn't catch it. Cucurella. Oh, what a save from Sommer. Hugh got a little touch to that, and the veteran Swiss in the Inter goal had to readjust quickly, and he did so really well. Here's Fernandez. Chelsea supporters sensing an equalizer before the break area. Cucurella will recycle and look to do the same. And Sommer had to shovel it. You up. Also Gusto. And he collided together, and that's why the referee stopped the game. And from Madueke, led away by Cherby.
Spin in the offing.
He's up here as Cucurella makes the challenge on Darmian. Darmian is doing his best there to try and get something from the situation, and Cucurella didn't appreciate it. Darmian's got up and he's okay. Inter are coming forward with purpose. Correa going for that really... Mudryk, clever. Away from Darmian. And he has got plenty that he can add to an already stacked roster of attacking players, as we were saying during...
central roles as well, but some decision for the manager, I think, next Sunday on the right. He's such a good finisher. That there's pluses and minuses to where you deploy him.
And Kunku's header hasn't really got it away, and a volley slashed toward goal by Cherby goes harmlessly wide. Oh, a chance here, really thumped by DeMarco and really well saved by Robert Sanchez too.
Yeah, I mean, it's really on to strike there, isn't it? It just sits up.
Set up for a Kunku, what an effort and what a save from Jan Sommer. What a shame he made it though, because that would have been something pretty special to witness in the Stamford Bridge sunshine from Christopher Nkunku. Palmer helps it in. No offside here, off the post, and then Fernandez. Can Jackson make something of it? So close to 1-1. Colwell and Fofana combining. Oh, Palmer lovely into Nkunku. Just too quick there, Chelsea's movement and fleet of foot from Englishmen and Frenchmen alike. Nkunku straight into the wall. And Fernandez straight over the bar.
Yeah, shame. And Nkunku, good opportunity. So
5 to play-ish. There's Nkunku, oh, right the way across the face of goal. Begged a touch from Nicholas Jackson. And maybe once they get more of an understanding of each other, still. And still. 3-4 swings at the ball. And it ends up almost out for a throw-in. Correa is possessed by Gusto. Gusto given James a suspension for the 20 minutes. There's only Sanchez, Gusto and Fernandez out there who started the game for Chelsea. Vega looking for Mudryk. Okay. Taken quickly by Palmer. Caicedo helped it in toward Jackson. Palmer looking for Jackson. Might be recycled by Mudryk.
comparison, really. Just looking for that final bit.
Here's Mudryk. Can he deliver it? Raheem Sterling to the byline. Back for Palmer. So close. Would have been a nice goal that. Palmer and Sterling linking up after a good ball in initially from Gusto.
Yeah, I'm sure with the technology, we may have been talking about a penalty there on.
A run at Dumfries into the penalty area. To the dead ball line again. Perfectly judged tackle from the... I beg his pardon, it was Thomas Berenbruch, number 52, not number 51. Vega put it straight into Nkunku. Lifted in by Palmer. Oh, and then smashed in by Leslie Ugachukwu to level things up right at the end. A thumping finish from the substitute, who's added plenty to this game since his arrival, and now he's levelled it up, 1-1.
Oh, well, he's been almost perfect. Well, he has been perfect, Ugachukwu. He broke up Inter attack. He's been really good and poised on the ball, and here he reacts quickest. In fairness, it bounces perfectly for him, but then